if a patient is asking a lot of questions, doctor says, हम डॉक्टर है कि तुम डॉक्टर हो भाई, हम ना है डॉक्टर.
And I finished my MD medicine in 92. 93, I got this.
Okay. So you got married in 92?
92, 93.
93.
After marriage, I have also done BEd, sir.
Because of pick and drop, you had to quit your job. आप कितनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं. सही में. Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you, Vandana ji?
Sir, I'm fine. And about you, sir?
Yeah, quite good.
Uh,
So let's get started.
Sir, thank you. I would like to thank you, sir, for giving me such an opportunity. But, sir, I am getting nervous. If conversation doesn't go well, please, sir, don't upload this video on your YouTube channel.
And if it goes well, can I upload this with the same dialogue that you have spoken?
No, sir. नहीं, नहीं.
Okay. Well, that is going to be a great raw footage where everybody can see that before this interview we were little nervous. So let's see. Let's not talk
Okay,
about
sir.
that first. Let's start the conversation.
Okay, sir, please use easy vocabulary because my vocabulary is not good, so that I can understand whatever you want to say me.
For sure. So very first question is, where are you from?
Sir, I am from Uttar Pradesh, Jhansi.
Jhansi.
Ji.
Is it the same Jhansi?
In
Jhansi,
UP.
Jhansi ki Rani? Same Jhansi?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So is there any palace or anything related to Jhansi ki Rani over there?
Yes. There is a palace related to Jhansi ki Rani.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. And there is also a museum, but I have never seen, sir.
You have never seen that?
No, sir.
Okay. So you were born in Jhansi, or when you were married, you went to Jhansi?
No, sir. I was born in Jhansi.
Okay, you were born in Jhansi. Okay. How long have you been married?
Sir, I have been married for 30 years, sir.
For 30 years.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many kids do you have?
Sir, I have only a son.
Okay.
Sir,
Only son. How old is he?
he is 29 years old.
29 years old.
Okay.
Okay. So, of course, I should not ask your age.
No, of course, you can ask, sir.
Okay. Let's talk about the qualification of yours. What's the
Okay, sir. I have done, sir, post-graduation in economics, and after marriage, I have also done BEd, sir.
BEd?
Ji.
Oh God, after getting married, you did BA.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, I have heard that in UP, once you are going to get married, it is very tough to continue your education after getting married. You know?
Yes, sir.
But
It is correct, sir. But my husband support me so that I could graduate. I could do my.
you did your post graduation. Oh, sorry, BEd. You did your BEd.
Yes, sir. After
Okay,
marriage,
after getting married.
I did.
So was there any kind of tiff or quarrel because you wanted to do BEd, your husband was supporting, but maybe your in-laws were not supporting that time? Did it happen?
Yes, sir. My mother-in-law was not ready, but my husband support. So, sir, it is easily.
It was easy that time.
It was easy that time for.
Okay.
For me.
So BEd, it's a 1 year course or 2 years course?
That time, sir, BEd was a 1 year course.
It was 1 year course. So when you got your result, you got your degree. After that, did you think of joining any job or anything?
No, that time I didn't think, sir, because my child was very young, and so that time I didn't think, sir.
Okay. So did you utilize your BEd degree or not?
Sir, I did utilize, but that time my son was 5 years old. That time I used BEd degree, sir, in teaching job.
So, Miss, did you ever teach in any school or not?
Sir, yes,
You
I
taught.
did. Yes, I taught in the Maharshi school, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Somebody is calling me. Just give me.
Okay. Sir.
Yes, yes, yes. There was an urgent call.
Okay.
Okay. So, how long did you teach in a school?
So I taught 2 years.
2 years. What
Yes.
subject did you teach?
Sir, I taught class 1 or 2, so every subject, sir, I had to teach.
Up to what class were you teaching that time?
Class 1 or 2.
Okay, fine. So, why did you leave that school?
Okay, sir. Sir, after completing second standard, my son took admission in another school.
Hmm.
And because he was very small, so I had to take him at the bus stop, and same time I had to go to my school. So, sir, which caused time clash, sir. So,
Okay.
my son was my first priority.
Hmm.
So I decided to leave the job, sir.
Little surprising that just because of pick and drop, you had to quit your job.
Yes, sir. Sir, was no one, no, sir, to take
Hmm.
him at the bus stop, sir, because I live in a neutral family, sir. There are only three members
Hmm.
in my family: my husband, my son, and me.
Okay, so your husband was going to office and you had to drop him.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So you had to sacrifice your job.
So you can see.
Okay. What was your first salary?
Sir, I was a temporary teacher, sir. So
Hmm.
that time I got 1400 only.
1400. Huh? That time, many, many
That
years
time.
ago. Huh?
Yes, sir. So after 1 year, so I got permanent,
Hmm.
but that time the school was not appreciated, so I couldn't get permanent teacher's salary.
Okay.
And after that, I left the
You
school.
left. Fine. Did you start any coaching classes at home
No,
after
sir.
that? No. Did you send your child to any tuition center or you were teaching him?
Yes, sir. I always taught him, sir, myself.
You always taught. Now, coming to the point when I'm going to ask you some questions related to your interest in English speaking.
Okay,
So, when was the time when you thought to go for this?
okay. Sir, my son has grown up, and this time he lives in Pune for post graduation, sir. So I became free, and I wanted to read, sir, magazines, English newspapers, and story books, but I couldn't. I was I'm unable to understand, sir, advanced structures. So that time I decided to improve my English so that I could understand all type of sentences.
Hmm.
Sir, that time I search, sir, teachers. So, but sir, I have seen many videos of many teachers, sir. But when I saw your video, sir, that time I decided I will take class from you. But sir, I didn't get your phone number, sir, from anywhere.
Mhm.
So that was my big problem that time.
Okay. So, when did you search this class? 2 years ago or 1 year ago? When?
Like 2 years ago, before joining the class, sir.
For sure. In your family, with your husband or maybe with your child, do you sometimes talk in English?
No, sir.
No, you don't talk. What language do you talk in?
Sir, Hindi.
Hindi. Okay,
Hindi is my mother tongue.
mother tongue.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any different language of Jhansi or it is just like Hindi?
Sir, Bundelkhandi is spoken there.
The Bundelkhandi.
but sir, you can't, you can understand easily, sir,
Mm-hmm.
because it is similar to Hindi.
Similar to Hindi, there would be some kind of words and
Yes,
pronunciation different, I think.
yes,
Still. Okay. So why don't you try to talk to your son at least in English?
sir. I tried,
Mm.
but he didn't take interest,
Mm.
and he said, "My English will be, sir, क्या बोलेंगे?
मेरी
Will
इंग्लिश
be
खराब हो
bad,
जाएगी.
will be bad."
Oh God. Okay, fine. Nowadays, do you read any magazine or any newspaper?
No, sir.
Okay.
I want to improve my English. Then I will start the newspaper and magazines.
Mhm. Okay. So, what do you think? How much you have learned so far?
Sir, I have learned a lot, sir, from you,
Mm.
especially advanced structure, sir. So
Mm.
that whenever I read story books, sir,
Mm.
of children, so I could understand advanced structure easily, sir.
Mhm.
Now, right now.
Do you see the difference between learning grammar and speaking fluently? Do you think that there is a difference?
Yes, sir. It is very difficult for me to speak English fluently
Mhm.
because whenever I open my mouth, sir, Hindi language comes from
Mhm.
it. So it is very difficult. But sir, in grammar, I talk about it. So sir, it is easy to understand, sir.
Mhm. But there are certain people who know grammar very well, but when it comes to speaking, they cannot speak as fluent as they should, It
Yes,
happens.
sir.
It means speaking is required, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So, do you have any partner
No, sir.
whom you
I
talk
have.
to in
I
English?
don't have any partner, sir.
Mhm. Okay.
So
So, how
it's my big problem, sir.
big problem? So, how do you practice?
Sir, I don't any practice, sir, at home. When I join your class in the evening,
Mhm.
that time I speak. I try to speak.
Okay. Now, I'll ask you random questions that could be in past, future, anything. You just have to answer. Okay. So, tell me, when was the last time you went to watch any movie in a cinema hall?
Sir, I think I watched the movie in the cinema hall uh, 2 or 3 months ago, sir. Uh,
Months ago or years ago? Months ago.
months, sir.
Months ago. Okay. With whom did you go to watch that movie?
Sir, I watched that movie with my husband, sir, and my clinic's staff, sir.
Clinic? Cleaning?
Clinic.
Clinic.
My husband's clinic is staff, sir.
What does your husband do?
So my husband is a doctor.
Wow.
He's a physician, sir.
Physician.
Yes, sir.
Okay. General physician who can.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, okay. It means if anybody falls sick in your family, then you have a doctor at home. Wow.
Yes, yes, sir.
Good one. Okay. How long has he been practicing?
So he has been practicing 2000 from 2004, sir. I think.
Since 2004.
Since he has been
Okay.
practicing.
Good. I have been teaching since 2004.
Oh,
So, as you said that your husband has government job as well. So, in that government job also he is a doctor?
what, sir?
You said your husband has a clinic
Yes, sir.
as well as he is in a government job.
Yes, sir.
So, what is
So
his designation in government job? What does he do there?
uh,
Medical field or some other field?
sir, medical field, sir.
Okay. So, is he a government doctor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It means he works in a
Sir,
government
yes,
hospital.
sir. Sir, he, uh, uh, sir, मतलब in afternoon and in the morning, sir, he
He works at his clinic.
works at his clinic, sir.
Okay. But sometimes it's not allowed for government employees to start his own clinic, private clinic, is it so?
Sir, in Chhattisgarh, here is allowed, sir.
It is allowed, huh?
Yes, sir.
Good. How many patients does he see every day at the clinic?
I think, sir, 30 or 40 in the only afternoon because he stopped seeing patients in the evening.
Okay.
And the morning, I don't know how many patients come.
How far is the clinic from the house?
The clinic is far away, only I think 2 kilometers, sir.
2 kilometers. How does he go to the clinic? By car, by bike, how?
So, he goes to clinic by his scooter.
Hmm.
Sometimes it rains,
Hmm.
so sir, he likes to prefer to go clinic by car.
By car. When it rains, then he goes by car. Okay.
Because sir, it is very difficult to drive the car because sir, uh, road are very busy, sir.
Yeah. There is huge traffic on the road. Yeah. That is Chhattisgarh place, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. So now tell me, did you ever see him being so disturbed because of any case he could not solve?
No, sir. I saw him disturbed, sir,
Hmm.
when my mother-in-law passed away, sir.
Okay.
Because like he always thought after being doctor, I couldn't save
Hmm.
her.
Okay, okay. He thought like I'm a doctor, still I could not save my
Her.
mother. Oh, yeah, fine. Has he ever fallen sick?
Yes, sir. He is a human being, sir, so it is natural.
Yeah. So if a doctor himself falls sick, then he goes to any other doctor or he takes medicines prescribed by himself?
See, he takes medicine himself, sir, if he falls sick,
Hmm.
and sometimes uh, he goes to another doctor if he needs any advice, sir,
Mhm.
other advice from other doctors, sir.
So that doctor also must be his friend or his colleague.
Yes,
Hmm. Okay. Have you ever attended any doctor's party or function?
sir, I don't have interest, sir, in party.
Mhm.
So my husband goes alone, sir.
Okay, he goes alone. Because there must be some meetings of doctors.
Because in the parties, when doctors meet sir, each other,
Hmm.
they always talk, sir, about patient bed number 2, bed number 5. So, sir, I don't have interest, sir.
Yes, yes. Right, right. Okay. So now coming to the conclusion. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me ask you some general, simple, rapid fire questions in
Yes.
English only, not in Hindi.
Okay.
Okay. What is your hobby?
Sir, over the time, my hobby changes. Sir, when if I talk about my childhood, that time my hobby was reading, playing, talking to my friends,
Hmm.
and visit to many places like hill stations, etc.
Hmm. Okay.
So
Do you,
many, sir.
okay. Do you really like cooking?
I don't like cooking, but I sir cook food very well,
Good.
delicious food.
Okay. These days you have to cook for only two people, right? Because your son lives in Pune, as you said.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Has your husband ever cooked?
Yes, sir. My husband is good cook, sir.
Hmm.
My mother-in-law gave training how to cook food well, sir.
Okay. How often does he cook food for you?
If he has time,
Hmm.
and sir, uh, He's in time. He cooks food for me.
Okay. Where
And
is he right now?
sir, he is right now in front of me. Sir, he is listening. Yeah.
Everything. Hello, hello, sir. How are you? How are you?
Sorry, what do you know?
Myself, Dr. P.K. Gupta. I did my PG MBBS from Medical College, Gwalior. I have completed this in 88 MBBS.
88. Oh my God.
And I finished my MD medicine in 92.
92.
93, I got this.
Okay. So you got married in 92,
92, 93.
93,
I am 60 years.
60 years. Nobody can say this. Lovely.
And at presently, I am very lucky. Since joining till today,
Mhm.
I am working in a government district hospital, Raigad. Since then, there is
Okay.
no the government didn't do any transfer,
Mhm.
and in the Raigad, everybody become my friend and family members.
Okay.
So,
So nice.
giving the medical services,
Mhm.
I giving some social activity and making some family atmosphere.
Lovely. And you're so jovial and vivacious. Lovely. And lovely couple, I would say.
Uh, Both we are Hindi medium,
Hmm.
and first my English class in MBBS first year.
Oh my God. Okay. But if you both want, you can talk to each other in English, I believe.
They have no time.
Yes,
Sir,
yes, yes.
sir,
Doctors are quite busy.
he remains busy from morning to sir night.
Because you know, at present I am working as a medical specialist in the government hospital and managing my personal clinic. At the same time, working as a district medical specialist in some nursing home. So
Mhm.
my work started at 7 p.m.
Mhm.
and finished at 8 p.m.
Has it ever happened like you scolded any patient so badly? Have you ever
So
scolded any patient?
I think so. I didn't remember. This
Mhm.
is my first weakness. I don't have any angry or something scolding or कुछ ऐसा नहीं
Mhm.
होता.
Definitely, because some doctors are very strict. They start scolding. Like if you go to Bihar, I'm telling you,
Sir,
in Bihar, Vanna ji, what happens in Bihar? If I'm not going to say anything wrong about those people, but I'm just talking about doctors. If a patient is asking a lot of questions, doctor says, "हम डॉक्टर है कि तुम डॉक्टर हो भाई? हम ना है डॉक्टर."
So my this is now I say कि giving medicine is the second thing. First I make my friendship relationship, and
Right.
every patient want to uh, mm, look me as a my not a doctor as my friend.
So nice, so nice.
So
Lovely,
uh,
lovely.
my this is my good luck. I have
Yes,
introduced
yes,
you
yes.
this way.
And really, and thank you, sir. It was so nice talking to you. You're very frank and lovely. I like you. I like you.
सर आपकी सर ये बहुत ही मतलब वो है गुरु आप और हम लोग इंग्लिश में बहुत वीक हैं और आपके थ्रू हम लोग सीख रहे हैं
बहुत अच्छा। और आप सर अच्छा बोल रहे हैं। आप अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं आप।
Sir,
अच्छी बोल।
actually, in Raigad, sir, everyone speaks in Hindi,
Hindi.
sir. Even
हाँ।
us.
Okay, okay.
So, sir, here is no atmosphere, na? So we speak English.
Yes.
कई बार सर दिल की बात बोलने के लिए इंग्लिश की जगह मदर टंग लगती है ना
Mother tongue लगती है। अच्छा,
तो
doctors, how do doctors remember all the medicines names? It's very tough job.
this is a practice by doing any practice
Mhm.
and we remember first time when we started this practice I just remember one medicine for one disease.
Okay.
Gradually, I increases this two medicine for one disease, three medicine. Then I started another thing. After doing post graduation, practically, we remember only one or two medicines.
Okay.
After doing post graduation in the medicine.
Okay. But if any patient comes who does not have a lot of money, so do you prescribe any less price medicine?
Yes.
For the same disease, there is high price medicine and less price medicine also.
Definitely, sir.
Okay. Just I giving something.
Mhm.
I usually search lowest price medicine
Mhm.
from the branded company, and then I provide this medicine in my clinic, pharmacy clinic, and after this I am giving 10% extra minus to patient, every patient.
Wow, so nice.
So my all MR know he will prescribe the medicine which have lowest price. This is my all MR, all district, all family, all patient know. This is my first characteristic feature.
Okay.
And
So do
I
you
am
also have that? Do you also have that chemist shop, or
yes.
you have?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes. And in my cabin, lowest price of the branded medicine is only available.
okay. But those medicines are also, those medicines have effect, the same effect what the highest
Suppose
price.
one medicine brand Ozomed Digi2 costing about 3 or 4 rupees. Same composition medicine branded costing about 18 to 20 rupees.
Okay,
Same brand.
okay. So these medicines are called
Same,
generic medicine.
oh, generic nahi, branded.
Okay,
Yeah. So just Ozomed Digi2 C and Bogli-Mac GM2C. The price differences.
okay,
So
okay.
always I call the medical representative those who have medicine with lowest price,
सर
and they will.
आप कितनी अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल रहे हैं सही में सो नाइस सो नाइस सो नाइस
तो मैं सर आपके लिए मैं अपना अभी क्लिनिक छोड़ के आया था, और इसका अच्छा वो था कि आज वो आपके साथ फेस करेगी।
जी जी जी
मैं स्पेशली बैठा हुआ था।
बहुत अच्छा सर बहुत अच्छा कभी मैं उधर आता हूँ तो आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे सर
Oh, sir.
टाइप ऑफ मेडिकल एडवाइस इफ
यस
ना, and if public questions या health review या health related interview if you want, I'm
डेफिनेटली सर बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सर रखते हैं चलिए इट वाज नाइस टॉकिंग और
Okay.
वंदना जी ने भी बहुत अच्छा किया वंदना जी आपने बहुत अच्छा किया
Sir, please, sir. Tell me truth, sir.
लेकिन ये वीडियो जाएगा यूट्यूब पे जाएगा अच्छा सर को कोई एतराज तो नहीं है अगर मैं ये वीडियो डालता हूँ वो
no,
एतराज नहीं ठीक 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 है तो मिलते हैं सर थैंक यू मिलते
Thank you, sir.
हैं ओके